How to sync Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. Good day, folks, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel. If you want to take your Google Calendar and actually sync it with your Outlook calendar, it's very easy. I'm going to show you two ways that you can do so. So the first thing you want to do is go into Google Calendar, and if you're on Google Chrome, you can go ahead straight from this page. Up at the top right, you've got all your apps in the menu, and you can go ahead and you can just open your calendar right from here. Now, this is what your calendar will look like, and this is how you gain the information from your calendar. So on the left hand side, you will have a menu, and right at the bottom over here it says My Calendars. Now, you can sync all of these calendars, but you will be able to only do this individually or one by one. So let's say the Sam I Am calendar, we're going to go ahead, and there's three dots next to that. We're going to tap on that. Now, underneath the display this only, there is a settings and sharing. You're going to go ahead and you're going to tap on that. Now, right from here, we are going to scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to look for something that says integrations, integrate my calendar, or integrate calendar. Okay, and it may be displayed differently, depending on the device that you're using and the web version that you're using. We can now look for the URL or the public address that says public address in iCal format. Now, once you sort of put your cursor over the secret address in iCal format, you can see on the right hand side there is an I which will toggle the visibility, and then there's a copy to clipboard. We're going to tap on that copy to clipboard, and this is just a short security warning. We're going to just say OK. Now you have the root address of your Google Calendar. We're going to go over now to the Outlook calendar, and this is the first way of doing it. Now, this is the website version of Outlook. So this is the way you do it. On the left hand side, you will see that there is My Calendars, and you can see your current calendar, and you can tap on Add Calendar. Now, before we do this, on the left hand side there's a toolbar. Just make sure that you are in your calendar. It should be third from the bottom. So you're not in your mailbox, but you're actually in your calendar. So we're going to tap on Add Calendar over here. And once you've done so, on the left-hand side, you'll see there's a bunch of options. Now, you can see over here, it says Subscribe from Web, and you're going to tap on that. Now, it's very simple. You're going to go ahead and you are going to paste that calendar link that we just copied from Google Calendar. And when you're done, of course, you need to give the calendar a name as well, and then you can tap on import right at the bottom of the page over here. Now, I'm not going to actually import this calendar. I'm actually going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to do it using the desktop app. So this is now the Outlook calendar desktop app, and it is the second icon from the top on the left hand side over here. And you're going to go in right at the end. There are three dots. You may see it say Add Calendar on this toolbar, but if it doesn't, the three dots, and you're going to tap on Add, and right from here you're going to tap on From Internet. Now, it's going to be the exact same procedure. You're going to paste the link that we just copied right over here, and we're going to tap on OK, and now you have successfully linked your Google Calendar and your Outlook calendar. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below. We'll see you next time. Cheerio.